Hello, everybody. One important thing that we're going to talk about in this episode is pre-shave. Now, many of you guys use a pre-shave, some of you don't. However, if you are a beginner, please understand how vital your pre-shave is to a great BBS that is a baby bottom smooth shave. Helps your skin both during the shave, as far as an extra slick coat to glide the razor over, but also post-shave. Now, it really, again, depends upon the type of pre-shave you use. There are many that are out there. However, I found a recipe on the internet using natural oils and an essential oil that really fits the bill for my skin, and let me share that with you right now. Now, this is my pre-shave here, my pre-shave oil. I put it in this little pump bottle that I got from the essential oil place here. Now, it contains the following: grape seed oil. Okay, you got grape seed oils there. Avocado oil. Sweet almond oil. Castor oil. And finally, tea tree oil. Now, the combination of all these oils together in my pre-shave really makes for a wonderful slick barrier just before I put on the shaving soap. And I've noticed that as I do that, because I'm trying to fight off razor bumps, which is really a big issue for me if I use a razor, well, this aids in the healing process during my post-shave. And I tell you, every single time I've used it, my skin feels great for the next few days. So, pre-shave does a lot of different things. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to let you see what is in my DIY pre-shave oil. This has been Lawrence Little, the wet shaving barber, for shaving the way your father should have taught you. Signing out.